Welcome to Community Arts. Today we'll be doing paper weaving. With your piece of construction paper, fold it hamburger style and place it in front of you with the folded side closest to you. Place the ruler template on the fold. You will make hash marks on each side of the template with a Sharpie marker. Then use the side of the template to draw a line from each mark. Cut 8 slits from the folded edge along the lines, making sure you stop before you get to the end. You do not want to cut all the way up and through the top. Unfold your paper and lay it flat. Beginning at the top of the page, take one paper strip and insert it over the edge of the paper, then under the second slit. Repeat over and under each of the slits until you reach the opposite edge of the paper. Push the first strip up so that it's against the uncut part of the paper. Then insert another strip under the edge and over the second base strip. Continue to weave the paper under and over, alternating the base strip. When you reach the edge, push the second strip to sit under the first woven strip. Repeat these steps until you can't fit any more strips. Glue the ends of each strip down. Cut any excess off so they align to the base paper in front.